As part of the 75th Independence Day celebrations, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center organized the 48th edition of English poem recitation, drawing, and handcraft competitions on August 13. Renowned personality Ms. Akriti Shen, Ms. Meghalaya 2019, Shri Abhishek Banerjee, and Dr. Divjani, Assistant Professor of Education, Women's College, are among those invited to grace the occasion. On speaking to the media, they said that these kinds of activities help children stand confidently on stage in the future.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Divjani from Women's College, Shillong. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Education and I have been associated with the Vivekananda Cultural Center for quite a number of years, and they have been doing tremendous service to the society, to the children who are participating in different areas like painting, recitation, quiz, debate. So I was one of the judge for class 6 students who recited a wonderful poem by Lu Majao, and it was a wonderful experience, and I wish Vivekananda Cultural Center my best wishes so that they can continue this service to the society today and always. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Akriti Shen and today I was invited as one of the esteemed judges for Ramakrishna Mission poem recitation for class 6. I feel so overwhelmed to come here. I remember as a kid I was so frightened to step on the stage and do poem recitation or do extempore speech, but looking at children of today's generation makes me so proud. I totally enjoyed the performance. And I feel so overwhelmed at this moment. Thank you.
To recite a poem titled "Oh Most Beautiful" by Lu Majao, expressing his heartfelt gratitude towards the nature. I thank you for the lonely night, the million stars, the moon so bright. I thank you for the celebrated love, the naked earth, the stars at its sky above. I thank you for the good earth. I don't need the Fort Knox gold. I thank you for the unsaid thoughts. I thank you for the celebrated love, the naked earth, the stars at its sky above.
Hello, respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Gaurav. Today I am going to recite a poem titled "Oh Most Beautiful" by Lu Majao. Oh most beautiful. Oh, I thank you for the lonely night when the million stars, the moon so bright. I thank you for this romantic love, the naked earth, the stars to the sky above. I thank you for the good earth. I don't need the Fort Knox gold. I thank you for the love of someone when I